Welcome back to Nifty Garage. My name is Sheldon. Today we have a 370Z on the lift and we've kind of got some issues. I'm going to show you how to remove your driver and passenger seat belts out of your car. We're going to pull the trunk carpet out, and then we're going to pull the rear latch cover out, and then pull the strut tower covers out. And the reason you have to do that is because this plastic piece is actually tucked under this strut tower cover. So I'm going to do that right now. So now that the two top portions of the carpet are out, I'm going to take the third layer out. That's like a harder plastic piece. Pop the two clips right here. Put that in a little spare tire hole. Makes for a good little bowl for you. So we got one on each side. Then we're going to get the light out. You're going to want to go towards the side closer to the latch on this. That'll kind of wiggle out. Let's unplug this. Put that in your bucket again. And then I'm going to pull the weather strip out of the seal here. There's a clip right here, because you don't want to break any of this stuff if you're putting it back together, if you're trying to sell it or whatever it is. So there's 1, 2, the third one right here, and fourth one right here. And once you do that, it's going to free everything up, and you pull it straight up. Make sure your harness doesn't get caught there. There's going to be 2 more clips here. One on this side, one right here. One more clip under here. This one is hidden under the trunk plastic cover, so don't forget to get that out. And then we're going to pull up and out for this one. So pulling up a little bit, and then give it kind of a jerk, and it'll free up a lot of these clips. Same thing for the front side. Kind of pull out and up, and then up on this section. So there's like a bunch of, you can see like all the different angles of the clips. And then once we get the strut tower plastic cover off, just pull forward on this. That's going to free up the airbag plastic cover. So we're going to undo this 10 mil right here also. So now that is freed up, and we're going to pull this cover out at the same time. So that is out, that is out. And I use like the foam pad kind of to pull from. And there's the passenger side rear strut cover. We're going to take this pad out again. Pop it up that way. Grab onto it. A couple more clips over there. 3 in total. Just kind of get on the bar and pull forward with it. That'll pop it free. We already took the 10 out of the back of the plastic piece. Kick panel piece is really easy. Pull it up and out between the weather strip and the plastic. Just give her a little pry. These the plastic pieces in 370s are actually really durable, so you don't have to be super worried about breaking clips or damaging things like that. Like, you can kind of see how aggressive I was with that, and every tab's still here. And now we can kind of tuck our seat belts right here. 2 clips per side, sorry. So there's 1 there, 2 there. Same thing for this side. So release that top piece. Your clip will come flying out. And then now we can pull straight up on this. All right, now that we have all of the trunk plastics gutted and the rear cubby storage gutted, we can take the cover off for the seat belt. I just went through like 10 tools to find that. You're gonna go in between here. This is already locked up. That's gonna pop out, and you're gonna see a 14 up there. So we're gonna loosen that out. And like I said on the other side, try to keep this orientation correctly, because I'm assuming you're gonna put new seat belts in and you're gonna need this the right way. All right, so now that the top is taken off, we're gonna grab a 14mm wrench, and there's a bolt right here. And the reason we're grabbing a wrench is because we can't access it with a socket, or you can take your seats out with 14s as well. And we're just gonna loosen this out with a wrench, get that to where it's loose, get it the rest of the way with our fingers. And it is kind of normal for them to get a little tight randomly. Just Need a little help. All right, now we have the lower 14 bolt out. Now we can go to the top side. We have another 14 on the bottom of the actual seat belt mount itself. We're going to take that out, and then we're going to switch to a 10, and there's a 10 up top. And we're going to pop this black piece up. And once the black piece is up, just pull back and the plug will come out. So now we have the driver's seat belt is out, and we'll do the passenger side now. So the top bolt we had to pull out because the plastic piece was so tight in here. So the top bolt is already out. We're going to start off with our wrench again. Get this one between the seat rail. Okay, that lower 14 is out. Both bolts stayed in the seat belt for the orientation. And we're going to get our 14. Get the bottom bolt on the seatbelt module itself, and we're going to undo the airbag plug. So just get a pick, go in between the black and the yellow. Once the black is out, pull the plug out, and then we can put a 10 on our ratchet or our impact. Loosen that out, save the bolt. And after all of that, our seat belts and our airbag control module right here are finally removed.